In this video, I'll guide you through how to send a test email in Klaviyo. Whether you're just getting started with your email marketing or you're a seasoned pro looking to refine your process, knowing how to send a test email is crucial. It allows you to ensure that your emails look exactly how you intend before they reach any subscribers. Let's dive right in and see how you can easily send a test email using Klaviyo. First, make sure you're in the email editor screen within Klaviyo. Once you've crafted your email just the way you want it, it's time to see how it will appear in your recipients' inboxes. To do this, navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Preview and Test. Go ahead and click that. This button is your gateway to checking your email's layout, links, and overall appearance before sending it out to your entire list. After clicking Preview and Test, a modal window will appear. At the top of this window, you'll notice a tab labeled Send Test. Click on this tab to proceed. This section is specifically designed for the task at hand, allowing you to send a test version of your email to specified email addresses. It's a great way to double-check everything, ensuring your content is perfect from top to bottom. Now, you'll need to type in the email addresses where you want to send your test email. Look for the field labeled Recipient Email Addresses. Here, you can input the destination email addresses. Be sure to separate multiple addresses with a comma if you're sending to more than one. This feature is particularly handy if you're collaborating with a team or want feedback from others before finalizing your email. Once you've entered the desired email addresses, it's time to send your test email. This step is crucial for spotting any errors, checking formatting, or simply ensuring that your email reads well on different devices. After sending the test email, make sure to open it on a few different platforms and devices if possible. This will give you a comprehensive view of how your email appears across various email clients, such as Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail, and on different screen sizes, like desktops, tablets, and smartphones. By sending a test email, you also have the opportunity to check that all links are working correctly and that any images included in your email are displaying as intended. If you notice any issues, you can easily go back to the email editor, make the necessary changes, and repeat the test process until everything looks perfect. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with this process, the more efficient you'll become at spotting and fixing potential issues before your email reaches your subscribers. This not only saves you time, but also ensures a professional appearance for your brand. So there you have it, a simple but essential process for sending test emails in Klaviyo. Following these steps will help you maintain a high standard for your email campaigns, ensuring they are polished and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.